Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. India's economy has undergone a significant transformation since its independence, moving from a socialist-inspired, state-owned model to a more open, free market system. This shift, particularly since the economic liberalization reforms of 1991, has propelled India to become one of the world's fastest-growing major economies. Key aspects of India's economic development. Growth trajectory. India's per capita income saw sluggish growth in the decades following independence. However, with market opening reforms and a focus on private sector growth, the economy has since experienced periods of rapid expansion. This sustained growth has contributed to lifting millions out of poverty and has enhanced India's role as a major player in the global economy. Sectoral contribution. India's development path is unique in that it has largely bypassed a heavy, industrial-led phase, moving directly from an agrarian economy to a service-led one. Services sector. This sector, also known as the tertiary sector, is the largest contributor to India's GDP, accounting for over 50%. It includes a wide range of activities such as information technology, finance, real estate, trade, and transportation. India has become a global leader in IT and business process outsourcing. Industrial sector. The industrial or secondary sector, which includes manufacturing and construction, is the second largest contributor to the economy. While its share of GDP is significant, it lags behind the services sector. The government has been focusing on boosting manufacturing through initiatives like the Production-Linked Incentive (PLI) scheme. Agriculture sector. The primary sector, which includes agriculture and allied activities, remains a crucial part of the Indian economy, employing a large portion of the labor force. However, its contribution to the GDP has steadily declined over the years. Drivers of growth. India's economic growth is fueled by several factors. Domestic consumption. A young and growing population has made India the world's third largest consumer market, with domestic consumption driving a significant portion of its GDP. Investments. There has been a surge in both public and private investment, particularly in infrastructure. Digital infrastructure. Investments in digital public infrastructure, such as the Unified Payments Interface (UPI), have improved financial inclusion and service delivery. Demographic dividend. With a median age of around 28, India's large, young population is seen as a major asset, providing a strong workforce and consumer base. Challenges and opportunities. While India's economic story is one of remarkable growth, it faces several significant challenges. Jobless growth. Despite rapid economic expansion, concerns have been raised about the jobless nature of the growth, as the economy has not created enough jobs to keep up with the large number of people entering the workforce annually. Income inequality and poverty. Even with a significant reduction in extreme poverty, a substantial portion of the population lives below the poverty line, and the country has a high degree of income inequality. Structural reforms. There is a need for further reforms in areas such as labor laws, land acquisition, and the banking sector to sustain and accelerate growth. Infrastructure deficit. While progress has been made, India still faces an infrastructure deficit in transportation, energy, and other key areas. Environmental concerns. Rapid industrialization and urbanization have led to environmental challenges, including pollution and deforestation, requiring a balance between economic growth and environmental sustainability. Looking ahead, India has the potential to become the world's third largest economy. Leveraging its demographic dividend, continuing to invest in physical and digital infrastructure, and addressing structural challenges will be key to realizing this potential and ensuring a more inclusive and sustainable economic future. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one more stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind WEM.